it's Nabila with Mailment, and today I'll show you 5 email subject line ideas that you can generate with AI for quickly getting more results. So let's get started.
Now let's say a 24-hour flash sale is ongoing on your online store. Now you want to notify your users to purchase as soon as possible 4 hours before the sale ends. Now you need to have something in the subject line that triggers the fear of missing out emotion in your customer's mind, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to write me an email subject line that reminds them of the sale. So I'm going to go ahead and write this to ChatGPT. Line for reminding the customers about the flash sale and that there's 4 hours left. Use an urgency based tone. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. So as you can see, it has given me some options here, right? So the first one is last chance for flash sale, 4 hours left. And you can see that each of these has a urgency based tone. So I'm going to go ahead and select the first one because I like that one the best. So this is it for this specific urgency based subject line.
Now this is a very interesting method to make people open your email, which is mentioning something in the email subject line that creates curiosity among your clients. Let's say you have a very good discount offer, or maybe you just launched an exclusive course that you want your users to know. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate this. Write an email subject line that mentions something special in this email. This subject line should create curiosity to open the email. The offer here is a special course waiting for them. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. And as you can see, some special subject lines have been created. You can see that this subject line says special course. This one is discover something special inside. And this one is something special awaits, don't miss out. For me, I'm loving this discover something special inside. I'm just going to go ahead and use this. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create curiosity based email subject lines using ChatGPT. Now this specific idea works really well if you're sending targeted email campaigns to specific users or clients. Now let's say some users are purchasing from your store at a regular basis and you want them to become your VIP customers. So if you're sending targeted emails to them, what you're gonna do is you're gonna instruct ChatGPT to write an email subject line that hooks people in a way that they feel special. And here also I need to specify my offer. Offer is that they will become my VIP customers as their I think that's enough. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate, and you can see that some email subject lines have been generated. So if you don't like any of this, you can also click on generate more, but I am going to use this one. Now this is how you can create a sense of exclusivity in your email subject line to hook your customers. Let's say you've sent your client an email and your client sees that the subject line says a benefit of your product or the service that might help them. They will most likely click on the email and open it. Now, for example, you're offering a 20% discount for the next 7 days in your online store. But instead of adding exactly that to your email subject line, you're going to go ahead and instruct ChatGPT to write a subject line that mentions a benefit when they purchase from my store, and I'm also gonna mention the offer here. So the offer here is that 20% discount for the next 7 days. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this generate button. You can see that it has given me some subject line, and what I'm going to do is I am going to use this one. As you can see, it has given me unlock huge savings, which is a clear benefit mentioned for your users, and it also mentions my offer, 20% discount for the next 7 days. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. So that's it. That's how you can use a value-based subject line in order to attract your customers. Now for this specific email subject line, I am going to instruct ChatGPT to write an email subject line that appreciates my clients for being loyal and regular customers, and the offer here is a flat 20% discount for them for the next 3 days. Let's click on generate, and you can see that some email subject lines that AI has generated for me. Let's select one. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. So this is how you can create appreciative email subject lines using ChatGPT.